happened to the map? What's it all like this?
Alright, so we have this hacker right here. What's his name right here?
Oh,
He brought everybody under the map he made. Yeah, right here. See, look, he just did it again.
Damn.
This is the hacker right here. This is his name right here. This guy's
Where?
blonde.
Really?
Look, this guy right here, the blonde. I'm jumping on him right here. This is the hacker right here. He's here doing the commands. You can see it in the chat. And he got this white thing in front of him.
Oh, damn.
See, he just brought me up, rocking everybody.
Oh, shit.
See what he's doing?
He made rockets. He made us rockets.
He's
He
really,
moved the spot down here.
he really just dragged us all down here, messing with the whole map, hacking and everything.
I wish I was one bad.
No.
What is this wood called? How do you call that?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Is that like a real spell? Like an element?
No, of course it's no damn element. It's not no element. That's literally hacks, bro.
There's no hacker, but there's this giant wood person.
He's a wind. He's a wind. You think by having the element wind allows you to do all of that?
I don't know. Okay. So let's talk script, right? So if you have a script for a certain game, you can like change stuff and do what you want to do that. Like turn this into rockets. You could give him top element. There's scripts out there somewhere that let you change your element in a few seconds. It wouldn't be impossible.
It's not impossible, but I don't think that
I mean, just out of nowhere, don't around me and be put into a wood cauldron.
And now kids want to try and do the command. Let's see if it works.
You can't use them like mine.
Exactly. He's obviously hacking or something.
I mean, it could be an addict just going around.
Unless he's like the, I don't know, owner of the server, because the owner of the game is Gamer Robot. He does not look like the owner.
It's not the owner. It just might be someone like that was admin and now he's just fucking around. Whoa. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm only a thunder god, it's not.
I used to be a thunder god, and then I reset and became a fire god.
I'm gonna try to get it.
And would he leave the server?
I got full weight.
So you just left the server like this? Seriously? Nonsense Kenneth Gamer TV.
Is that his,
Gamer tag.
name?
Yep.
He might be used to it.
Well, he's about to get banned. I need to record that.
Yeah. Probably. That's what I did. For a long time. He's not even here anymore.
Yeah, I just realized.
What the fuck? Was that you with all that fucking fire?
Yep. Oh, I just realized that.
Hey, I want to show you something. Come here. Yeah, I'm reporting you. Let me get you banned.
Oh, he's dead.
Lava cat.
Yeah.
People in my home.
You should try getting Fire God. If you want to be a fire element, get Fire God. Don't go for Fire or Dragon or anything else. Just get Fire God. That's the best one.
Right.
Or if you get Dice,
Oh shit!
I think Dice is the best in the game.
Hey, don't kill me,
Hey, seriously, Chipper? Anyway,
Ooh. Hey, man.
are you dead?
No, I'm not dead. I'm alive.
Finish you off then.
Dang. How to kill these people?
This guy's trying to kill me, man. Can't die that easily. No, let him kill me that easily. Alright, he's down.
So I just wonder, is that hacker, did he get banned?
I don't know.
Like, did someone see?
Like the last time I reported a hacker, I got warned for it. I don't know why. And it said, "Oh, that's my last warning." I'm like, I don't understand. Well, it wasn't a hacker. It was somebody who was on Roblox High School, right? They were abusing their principal commands and stuff, and messing with everybody, sending everybody the attention and everything, so nobody could do nothing. And I recorded it and saying how they were abusing, and then I got warned. And I don't understand why I got warned, but they didn't explain it. They didn't explain why I got warned. They just say, "Oh, you're warned," and
You got warned for making one of their people feel bad.
oh, probably.
But actually reporting something confusing, you get warned.
Why?
You know. I guess people on Roblox like to do cold cattle mod.
Like, I'm having second thoughts about posting this video on the forums, because next thing you know, I get banned, and they don't even explain to me. I'm like, why am I being banned? Like, I'm dead reporting a hacker.
If you get multiple accounts,
Huh?
I got three. So I mean, you don't have to ban multiple accounts. Because I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are going to go to the board. Unless, like, everyone.
My damn cousins, they dragged me to a game. I forgot I was in the group.